unboxing of another Birkenstock sandals that I've got them on sale in Seezer store, and they were really cheap as I bought them for about 25 bucks, and originally they are more than 50, so it was really a good deal. And the model name is called Arizona, regular fit, but I've got them in patent neon green. That's why they were on sale, because this color maybe. And size is €41, and in UK is 7.5. I would buy size smaller, but they were run out. So here they are. Ta-da! They look like this. Here. Uh-oh, my battery dying. So they looks like this. They are really nice, neon green, and they have nice white buckles and white sole where it says Birk. They are in 41. Here they are made from real leather, and here they are from some other material, and they are patent leather here. I mean patent, like shiny fake leather. And here is the tag. I can try them on in socks though. So yeah, they are a little bit big. I don't know if so big, just slightly. I'm not sure if they should be like that or not. So yeah, they are just like this. Nice color. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like, then give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next videos. Bye.